All right, so as you can see, I'm working on rocking in my pond, and I wanted to stop and show a technique about how to rock a rock wall with stones that aren't perfectly blocks or perfectly square, and how to use pea gravel as a way to make your wall more solid. So you can see I started putting in some boulders. There's a shelf on the pond, and I'm creating a perimeter farther out because I don't want to put the rock wall right up against the edge. I want it to be out a little bit and have there be pea gravel behind it for plants. So the technique is to build up your rocks, build up your little perimeter wherever you want to place them. You know, try and crisscross rocks across multiple contact points, and you want to find the spots where they're going to rest naturally on their own without your help, without your assistance, and then backfill from there. Otherwise, they aren't going to really stay very well in the first place. Like that. Okay, so like shove that guy in there as a wedge. This one stays pretty well, pretty solid, and then that creates a nice little place for me to create another shelf. And I come in, ooh, I like that. See how that's solid without any pea gravel around it, and then the pea gravel will help to stabilize it. You backfill, and now you have a nice little flat platform for your next row of rocks to go on, because they're not just resting on these round rocks, but they also can put some of their weight and pressure on the pea gravel. I gotta go get some more pea gravel, but you can see what I mean with that. Bring that guy in a bit more. Now the next row, I put like maybe that one in there, nice heavy one. Okay. Every once in a while, you can turn one back into the shelf to kind of create a little bit of an anchor in the gravel. Separate the planting pockets a little. That one wasn't stable. I just pulled some gravel up to it, raising it up, and now it has gravel to rest on, right? Now it's way more stable. Really wanted to be able to shove some grasses or thrushes or something down here and have them coming out of this wood or this log. I think I'm going to try and do that. And that is how you build a stable dry stack cobblestone wall.